Hi y'all, I hope y'all are doing well. I'm doing an unboxing for my very first Chic Sparrow Mr. Darcy-Austen Heritage Collection in the personal size. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, and all those who are returning, thanks again for stopping by. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to sub, like, and comment. I'd like to hear your thoughts about what you think of this product. I first learned about Chic Sparrow from watching a YouTube video about a purse, of all things. The creator was showing content in her purse, and she happened to have her journal. I liked it so much, how beautiful it was, that I was intrigued. I started to look into the Chic Sparrow website, but the item, Mr. Darcy, was always sold out, and I couldn't get my hands on one. Half the year has gone by, and I continued to check the website, and lo and behold, it was finally available, and I took the chance. So here it is. No wonder there's such a following for Chic Sparrow. They really know how to package their items very carefully, and you can tell that they care about detail. I have to admit, I was very impressed by the presentation. It was really something eye-catching, and I was very excited to open up the contents, even down to the sticker, which stated, "If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but not the goal." Isn't that the truth, especially for 2021? We made so many plans for the year prior, and I guess we all just didn't know. But the goal doesn't change. We just keep on trucking. Or at least that's what we say here in the South. But wherever you are, I hope you keep on moving and keep your eye on the prize. And whatever that prize may be, don't lose yourself in the process. If you make it, don't forget where you came from. Pay it forward to someone who might need it. Because regardless of our journey, we all have one. And why not make our environment a nicer place to be? Thanks for sticking around during this unboxing. I hope you check out my other content in the future. If not, thanks for passing by. Hope you have an amazing day. For everyone else, I'll be doing a more thorough review of this Mr. Darcy-Austen Heritage Traveler's Notebook after I've used it a little while, but I already love it so far. It's soft leather, its toffee rustic look, there's striation marks, the pocket placements, and yes, even the removable pen loop, because I don't leave pens exposed in my beautiful handbags. I'm still waiting on my inserts from Paper Penguin order to arrive. In the meantime, I did make my own inserts, and will show that in another video, including my stickers, ephemera, decorative paper I purchased to personalize my travel notebook. Stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching, and take care.